RIP to Mr. Fowl, you know. You understand me I deal with foundation man that a Jamaica, you know. Me come to talk about fowl, you know. But me want to talk about Jamaican dirty people them while we are talking about fowl. You see me I deal with? No matter how you help certain pussy in a life, you go dead. They still go kill you. You understand me? You could have helped Jamaica go into the riches. Them still kill you. Jamaican people now no blood clot loyalty. I mean I talk about the whole lot. Because the same people them will kill fowl. Me know some people them will fall help. Oh, I say when you see a ling ling. Move your bum buckler, because you call me back from the other day. Look like you're still there at work. Move your blood cleat from here. Go. And go from here. For me come to Maryland, come kick in your body to put soul. I'm telling you. So I want to talk about fowl. I want to like and share this. Because I don't want to talk about, boy, oh my God, Mr. Fowl dead. Boy, Mr. Fowl dead. I don't want to talk about boy, Mr. Fowl dead. I'm telling you what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the fucker them will kill Mr. Fowl. Remember say the same people them when Mr. Fowl help, you know. Remember say Mr. Fowl help the whole Jamaica. Even if the man a sell coke, weed, this, that from them long time there, no for to spend the coke money. No for to spend the dirty money. No for to spend the blood money. You see me? Watch it pre now. When Mr. Fowl there at the party there, I watch a video where this song did a play when it's a popcorn. Just like even when I voice note say, me a pre all popcorn right now. Me a pre all any scene I one cup. Me a pre Mr. Fowl shoes when you have on too. Me a pre Mr. Fowl shirt. Me a pre Mr. Fowl friend with turn up right there so we don't get no gunshot. Me a pre all the rasta with the over there so we have to feed me one a little thing. Me a pre the pitney them. Where the right this a run up and down when you get no gunshot too. Me a look on the whole of them. Me a pray the whole of them. Our fowl alone dead. Say me for them sisters so that the gun this is straight wearing say nobody else not even get a graze. What you mean by? How that look planned so? I send or no send for fall. I wonder if a fall family then kill fall. How fall just dead so? Me mean the friend turn up right here, so go on with the whole heap, you know. Fowl the right here, so whole him little rems. This a fowl. Fowl friend a go on with the whole heap over here, so. I mean, for say, them say from behind a fowl friend the killer come from. So how Mr. Man the right here, so dance and fowl the right here, so but a fowl dead and you not get no shot. How that work out? In friend killer? Somehow na family killer, somehow na all of them thing there. Who no dirty Jamaican people, no matter how people help, no matter what we do for money, we help with the money. We no still kill we. Whether we are Batman, sodomite, we are drug dealer, we are ready. All I want just believe in taking lives. I just that you no believe. We no believe in no kill Batman, kill sodomite. We no just believe in a kill everybody. I fool no think that. Whether Mr. Fowl in a sitting or not, that death you look fuck up, Mr. Fowl. Me go tell you that, Mr. Fowl. This look fuck up, Mr. Fowl. Me not ask you, Mr. Fowl. Me I tell you. Mr. Fowl, you're dead, Mr. Fowl. I'm so brief, me, Mr. Fowl. Mr. Fowl, I'm so brief. Me come in this morning, Mr. Fowl. A long time I didn't even come over here so come vlog, Mr. Fowl. Me ask you sit now, Mr. Fowl. All the way you see go on at that the party there, everything, me a pray all the selector. Me a pray the somebody where I keep a party, you know. Me mostly a pray the rasta with the right so when I get none of the gunshot them, because him there so go on with the most, you know. The rasta go on with the most, you know. And the little pitney them a willy bunks over here so nobody not get no gunshot. So a fowl alone dead. Why a fowl alone dead? That look fuck up there, sir. That look fuck up like say somebody just walk up to fowl and hug up fowl and just a give fowl a shot them so. No, because it look like it's a shot in a fowl head fowl get. And that me say, In front of everybody wanna kill fowl, so. Fowl, did it a one amount of people, you know. Why you fowl alone dead? You, Mr. Killer. Talk a who send for fowl. Cause I know you want to kill fowl neither, you know. Fowl don't even know you. Somebody send you for fowl. Who, all we good and shock to blood clot to see who send him for fowl. We good and shock for sister fowl family then send for fowl. We want shock for sister one a fowl friend kill him so. We want shock for sister somebody with fowl help them day with fowl. So, what kind of loyalty you have down there? See fowl there? And in front of fowl, big range. Him dead. I hit to all out run down, you know. You don't want a big range like Mr. Fowl too? See them go creep him up in front of the range there. And the range you don't kill him for, you don't kill him for money, you don't kill him for power, you don't kill him for. Eh? Well, I don't know about that Jamaica, about a bad man, a message I sent to you, so, and who was sent if go kill that one there. Go send if you go kill on a blood clot, mama. Someone shouldn't blood clot ban. We're not talking about Batman and Saddamite shouldn't ban. Pussy will someone shouldn't ban. Bumba will idiot. You see all you know? You see all you know? You see all you know down at Jamaica there, that's why you can't blood clot better. The whole of so dead off down at that blood clot and not loyalty. Go! Go! And not blood clot loyalty. They see a man will help on a burn him, kill him, see him there? On a shell him. Right in front of the range. And the range you know did want bad mind paper. Eh? Bad mind dirty Jamaicans are me talk about. You can't burn out. Nobody go suck on no mother. You can't burn out. Nobody. Because you dirty, you cool, you stink like shit. The whole of you down there. None of you have no power for blood clots and nobody in the ranks because you filth. The whole of you Jamaica filth. You shit house. You dog shit. None of you down there no right for eat. Nobody can none of you down there no good. Well on dirty. You know dead off down at that blood clot. You hear me tell you shit house people. What do you know about you hate this and hate? You hate and still you don't know if you blood clot hate or you kill fowl for. Eh? What you kill fowl for? What fowl doing? Tell me what fowl doing you know. Eh? Poor Mr. Fowl. Two of Mr. Fowl no no badness you know see man have no kind of bad man around him. You know, see, Mr. Fowl have no shoot around him, so that means that the man now worry about you know. You understand me? But you know, so blood clot, wicked, and so bad down at that. But you know, done. And who did say that? And boy, you know, so me feel like a fowl. Make my friend drop, let me go kill fowl. Go suck on no mother. Go suck out on no mother. None of you no bad. Moving a bumbo clot. Go read a book, pussy hole dunce. The whole of you down at that, we so not done, we so not hear your leader, we so not this. Exit the place and go chuck up in our mama. What I'm doing, I don't read no bad man, because none of you can't read on a dance like. Well, I don't dance down at that blood clot there. You hear me I tell you now? All of you Jamaica dance. Una the race. We watch people business the most. Una watch people business the most. But you don't mean in yourself no blood clot good and hurry up and dead. Hold on, hurry up and dead down at that. And what do you know? Mr. Fowl, you think you can go drive a range now? You can go spend the man money now? He bad mind people. Jamaicans are bad mind set of people them, you know. Not too bad mind and grudgeful and dirty hearted and wicked. You understand me? That's why Jamaica can't better because of honor. Shit house because of blood clot, you know. Cause me all you know how the Saddamite girl attack someone. You know dead down at that. You know mean Jamaica no good, you know mean no self no blood clot good. You hear the song too? Right after the song down the pitch down the man. We wait for the day if you see when them go catch Jamaica blood clot fire. You know if it dead off daddy. Me not ask you know. But you get up and I hate this and I hate that and kill this and kill that. Go kill on yourself. Go kill on yourself, daddy. That's how you suffer and dead off down at that blood clot. You know, dead off down there. You know, bad mind and dirty hearted no blood clot. You know, suffer. You all on down at that, you know, suffer and dead down at that. Fucking dirty hearted bad mind parasite, you know. All pitney down at that bad mind. Adolescent bad mind. Adult bad mind. Drunk crowd of it dead off. All when people are helping you not kill them. All when time we not have, oh yeah, him a the juggis, you know, but too much of the juggis money we not spend. Because suck on no mother. Oh no. On our opportunists, the whole of us Jamaicans. Jamaicans in our worst blood clotting happen for earth. Oh no. I'm sorry the day I born down there with a blood clot. Oh no. I'm sorry the day I born and then call me Jamaicans. I'm sorry a fuck. I you don't even know. When I think I'm glad for be one of blood clot, you know, when I talk about we don't like Sodomite, we don't like Batman. Pussy well, me not like 95% of a blood clot race. Because the whole of no fuck up in a well, I don't fuck up and dirty and live bad no blood clot. That's why Jamaica can't blood clot better. I don't come go like I don't want to blame this and blame that. Blame on a dirty self. Blame on a dirty now work suck good self. That don't have to blame. Pussy hole. Jamaican girl fuck stop sell now. All to all Jamaican people bad mind. All when time fuck stop sell for girl them a body man them a sell fuck now. The whole of needs a race and need for blood clot hurry up and perish for half of this. Me sorry me one on so you can't even come blood clots and not right as to me, you know. You understand? Me wish me could have reborn in a different country. Yet me want to be one of blood clot, you know. One of the worst thing. One of the worst thing. Nobody even want to come down there so wish part on a blood clot there. One of parasite. When I say lesbian and Batman, I say that parasite, I want a para blood clot site. Shit house Jamaicans, you know. Eh? Me here to know you fuck. How na worse. When I always talk about Jamaicans that amount to nothing. Uno, na make no amount to nothing because na pussy. All I know. Every Jamaican can have things, but you know too bad mind. And that's why on a blood clot bad mind. Even if you see a next Jamaican arise and kill that before it reach the top. On a bad mind. Just like what you do to Dalton Harris, you see boy that go win, you go bring Batman rumors for the youth. Because you a bad mind, dog. You a bumbo clot bad mind, the whole of you. You kill Mr. Fowl because of bad mind. You want the range to drive a bad mind. Me don't give a fuck what the man used to do back in 9 days. The whole of we do our shit them to make our blood clot money. Remember that? Remember that? Remember, you know? Say all of we they do this. To reach our one there. Enough of we did sell weed. Enough of we sell coke. Enough of we sell this. Enough of we sell that. Enough of we sell that. We sell that too. And we do that. And we do that too. We don't spend enough of the drugs money though. Enough of the fuckery money you spend it though. Enough of when they get it and when time him have him think them on a go do. We don't have no point. How much I want to spend batty money? I want to say I hate batty man. None of you have work more than batty man. A batty man pay you. But you get up every day. Go and go kill on the boss them because them a batty man, you know. You know where they are foreign who work for you like batty man them. Go and go kill the batty man them. A batty man pay you know. You see when the W2 them when I get back on the tax or sitting, a batty money, you know. Remember say a batty money. You work for your batty money. So what I do? I walk and I kill Jamaican people. Jamaica, let me tell you something. You never stop running to other country too. You never stay down there and dead off. Please. We don't want phone energy up here, so. You don't wonder why America means so with them blood cleat visa? Because I don't know. Nobody don't really want to know up here because of destruction. The whole of you. All of you destruction. Yeah? So you can't cuss batty people and lesbian people. All you don't want to cuss the blood clot people and want rotten down on the island. You don't think a batty man and Sodomite are rotten down on the island, so? Dirty Jamaican people. Eh? Illiterate, dunce, blood clot Jamaicans. You don't think a batty man I do no country the way it I do now? A whole straight people. The ones them who believe in a God. A whole are the poison down there. A whole are the poison. A whole second Timothy they talk about. The destruction in the earth. A whole. Eh? See Mr. Fall there now? What kind of, wanna get out of here? I look like one big payday the dead for Mr. Fowl, you know. When you talk about Mr. Fowl, you talk about Central Plaza, you talk about the whole blood clot half a tree, you know. Them man, they own quite a lot. No matter where you did claim to say Mr. Fowl do for your money, enough for you to spend it. Enough for you to help. He give the whole Jamaica things on a pussy hole. No, sir, nobody no fi help you, no. Because everybody will help you turn around and kill them because they have no blood clot loyalty. Jamaicans are the most bad mind people on earth. That's why you come up with that something they name bad mind. Remember say, no. Come up with it. Bad mind, no. You understand me? Money, me not have time for talk about the good people them right now. Because when last you watch Jamaica news, you hear no goodness going down there. Me not good for talk about Jamaica money. Come give me sin good for talk. Come give me it. Why? Why the good greatest thing happen for Jamaica right now? More than them a get up and a kill off them one another every day. The straight people them in a hurt way will love God and believe in a God. Remember, you know, them here the straight people them will believe in a God and Batman for dead and them a kill off, you know. The straight people them want to believe in a them a kill off, you know. So alright now, I want Batman walk up on Mr. Fowl and shot him, sir. Huh? Eh? I only we believe in a God. And say, we. You say, me, as a hermaphrodite, not believe in a God. But uno we straight and I take fucking a uno whole a man a come in a uno. Uno man a come in a girl for get pitney. A uno a kill off uno one another. What uno a kill off uno one another for? So uno can fuck and get more. There is nothing good about Jamaica. Not one good statement you can say. What you want to say? Give me the good statement now. Give me the good statement. Jamaicans are the most bad mind people on earth. All if you do, one time they come a foreign, them bad mind them one another. If one come up here wanna drive a Beamer and wanna drive a Benz, one automatically they start bad mind them one another. Uno too fuck up hearted. Uno heart not clean, and that's why the whole of uno go blood clot perish. Because for uno get up in a phone head, you know. Look for Mr. Fowl now. I don't care where a man did do for fee money. And the man come round and he take it on good. He make much in plaza and barber shops so the whole of uno can go trimming. So uno can get work down at Jamaica. Go suck on the mama. Uno not deserve help. All of uno fi dead off daddy. Uno not people who not deserve help. Nobody not fi stretch out now and go no. Uno a parasite. You hear me? When people help uno always kill them. That's why uno can't blood clot better. Every day uno get up and talk about ban Batman, kill Saddamite, kill Batman, go kill uno blood clot self. Uno rotten down on one island. And then one blame Batman and Saddamite feet. Say, yeah man, and them are going to ruin the world. And them the Bible talk about. The Bible talk about uno more than blood clot Batman and Saddamite. And one time God